it's me, back at it again for another video on this channel. So I have been busy as heck. So busy that I didn't even realize we hit 1 million subscribers on this channel, so that's very, very exciting. Thank you guys so much. I want to do a special million video, unlike my main channel, but I don't know what. So comment below, let me know. Y'all want me to do something crazy, over the top, stupid, or not? Comment below, let me know. I want to hear your ideas. So today's video, I've partnered with Fabfitfun, and this is something I am genuinely excited about because I've always seen it on Instagram. People that I follow post about it, and I'm like, hey, this actually looks pretty dope.
Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle product that comes out 4 times per year. Each box is $49.99 and has a value over $200 each season. Plus, you can get your first box for $10 off with my code WOLF. Fabfitfun now lets you customize some of the items in your box, so I'm going to show you what I got in my box. Sign up now so you don't miss out on getting to customize all your favorite products.
So they have sent me, a box. I cheated a little, I peeked inside. I can't deal with suspense, okay? Let's open it up first before I start talking about it. The inside is very pretty. Fabfitfun Spring 2019. So this is a subscription box. If you sign up for it, they basically send you this ginormous box for each season. They have their own magazine. I already took a look at it. It says what is in the box, what you can get in the box. I really like how they do this. So the box is $49.99 per box per season, but you're getting over $200 to $300 worth of stuff. So it says everything that you can get. I broke the seal. Oh, I didn't break this, man. Somebody been looking through my box. My friend came over. She must have went digging through my stuff, okay? So you get full-size products in this box, and the first one, and this is the one that I am most excited about, it's the Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial Cream. And this is something I have actually used before. Bro, honestly, this costs almost as much as the whole box does. Like, just this one thing. And I've used this before. I've loved it. I really like Core stuff. Oh no. I think a lot of you guys probably don't know about me is I am pretty big on skincare. I'm very OCD. Like when I was in middle school, high school, whatever, I never cared about my skin. I never wore sunscreen. I never put on moisturizer. I never really exfoliated. I never really had horrible skin, but I never had good skin. Until now, like this is the best my skin has ever been. And like vitamin C and a sleeping cream, like that's the good stuff. You need it. Like vitamin C is very important. It's like food for your face. I eat fried chicken, but my face eat vitamin C. The next thing, oh, it's a jumping rope. I didn't know what it was, honestly. So it's 11 by Venus, and I guess like this box is all about Venus Williams. She's on the cover. I'm gonna open this. I haven't jumped rope in a long time. I actually used to like jumping rope. It used to be fun. I used to do it in recess, you know, when I was a kid. I never had a fancy jump rope like this. Like this is super deluxe foam wrapped handles. You feel me? You know, it's Fabfitfun, and this is the fit. This is fit too. I always see these water bottles at like Target, and I'm like, do I really want to spend $20 for a water bottle? And that's perfect that I got it in this box. So it is Sip by Swell. It is a fancy schmancy insulated. Damn, keeps your drink cold up to 12 hours and hot up to 12 hours. What? Okay, see, I'm not used to this luxury. I'm used to my drinks getting cold after like 5 minutes. So I am a huge tea drinker, by the way. Bro, I want to make like a tea video so bad, like showing you guys different kinds of teas that I have and like my favorites, and like talking about like besides video games and like anime, like I am obsessed with tea. I don't know, not much to talk about, and it's like you can't smell it, you can't taste it, so what's the point of like doing a video about it? I don't care what it is. I like hearing people talk about something they're passionate about, you know? Next up, we got the Way Leave-In Conditioner. Again, this stuff is like $20-$30. That was also what was like blowing my mind for the box when I first opened it. I think it's a good deal, especially like if you're gonna buy this stuff anyway. Leave-in mist for your hair. Oh, this is a leave-in conditioner. I needed this. I deadass needed one of these because I just ran out of mine. It wasn't a Way one. Smells delightful. But yes, I wanted one of these. Thank you, I appreciate this. Next up, we have a champagne charcoal scrub. Oh, I needed a scrub too. Your girl's slacking and lacking in all departments. I'm gonna open this. So this is a champagne charcoal scrub, body exfoliator. And this body needs some exfoliating, you feel me? Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. It looks like after a volcano, you know, but it's charcoal, so it smells really good. But now I have exfoliant on my fingers. I don't want to exfoliate my fingers. It does smell kind of like champagne. It smells very familiar. Where have I smelled that? I have a tea that smells just like this. It's weird considering that it's champagne. The tea I am drinking right now, it's a butterfly pea with spirulina tea. There's so much more. It's a lot of stuff. Next up we have this Levito Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot. So this is a body lotion. Oh, we love body lotion in this household. Well, I mean, every body lotion ends up being hand lotion because when it's cold, my hands get hella dry and they start cracking and it's just not fun. It's painful. Oh, this smells delicious. It smells like a lemon peel. Like if you freshly peeled a lemon, that's what it smells like. Or maybe an orange. You know, some citrusy fruit. We stan. Here we have this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Cream. Eye depuffing gel. Your girl needs a good eye cream. I always need a good eye cream. I don't know about depuffing. That's not really for me, but my boyfriend has like hella puffed up under eyes. Mine is just like, I don't know, lack of sleep under eyes and staring at a screen for 12 hours a day under eyes. But yes, you need an eye cream. Oh, is this the last thing? I don't know what this is. I looked at the magazine, so I have an idea of what this could be. I think it's the backpack. So it is by Duxlux. I'm saying it wrong. It's like Deluxe. Oh, it's a backpack and it's a mini. Oh, I like this. Is it a backpack? Yes, it is a backpack. Here it is. It's like foldable. Cute little canvas backpack. You know me, I love being hands-free. I love mini backpacks. This is like a mini one, but it's also like big enough to fit a lot of stuff. Oh, here is the backpack. I need to fill it up with stuff because it doesn't really have much shape right now, but this is like really lightweight. I like it. And now I'm gonna fill the backpack with everything. Yes, and we Gucci. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to get the Fabfitfun box, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can use code WOLF for $10 off your first box, so make sure you check it out. If you guys enjoyed this video and want me to do more unboxings, make sure you hit that like button in the face and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.